Hi Nishant, let's start with a quick introduction of yours about your professional background in terms of your experience and domain, which domain you're working in.
Okay, thanks for having me. Tell you about myself. I work as a DevOps engineer, senior DevOps engineer in an MNC, and I have about 10 to 11 years of total experience only in DevOps. And also, I'm a cloud certified, AWS cloud certified with a professional level of certification. As you all know, I have to expand myself. I have to upgrade myself in the field of AI and ML. So that's the reason the MLOps is there in the cards for me in the course.
So, which company you're working in currently?
I'm in DXC Technology as well.
Okay. So, if you have to describe your journey in terms of content and instructor for MLOps course, how do you rate your journey and how do you describe to our viewers?
Okay, in terms of the content and the teaching of the trainer, so the content is really good. The trainer takes it from the scratch, basically from the fundamentals, whatever is required. Even for a non-technical background, it is very useful. The way that they have designed the content, it is from the fundamental, as I said, and also the trainer also takes it in a very briefly. He explains everything with an example. Even that is most understandable even for a non-technical background professionals and even who doesn't have any background with the coding knowledge also. The delivery is also very good from the trainer.
So, as a learner, when you join a course, there are certain doubts that you have regarding the skills that you're learning because this is the first time you're learning those skills. So, in terms of doubt clearing, how was your experience?
Have any doubts, it is basically he has a specific duration or a time slot for the doubt clearance thing. So he has it cleared, concludes it actually. So even then, if doubt is not cleared, it still has a time window where there is doubts that has to be asked. And in fact, it tries to respond to every doubt whenever we post it in the chat window. My experience wise in terms of doubt is that I have 100% cleared all my doubts.
All right. And lastly, once you enroll for the course, there is a mentor, specific mentor. Nikita is assigned to you. So, how was her support in terms of when you try to reach out to her? How do you rate your experience in that?
Kita is very, she's very proactive. I have to really appreciate her. And, she keeps following up every week. She keeps checking us whether we are finding it comfortable with the course or if there is any sort of concerns or any sort of questions that we have. So, in fact, I get sometimes motivated from her questions, from her follow ups every time.
Yeah. So, last to all the learners who are planning to join this, what is your message to them? What would you like to convey to them?
Okay, so this really has a very good structure of course, as I said, from the fundamentals till the advanced level. And basically, this is a very good opportunity or a very good structured course designed for a fresher as well as to an experienced level of professional. And also, I really like the advanced level. Whoever completes this course would be definitely far ahead, at least like 3 to 4 years of experience, especially the course also includes the hands-on experience, projects and assignments. So having all those things in a curriculum or in a course makes any professional or any individual equipped with at least 4 to 5 years level of equal to experience in a professional level. I think the main plus is that the content, I think the structure of that. I would definitely recommend anybody who is planning to, join or come into the field of AI or ML, especially. So this is a very good initiative and opportunity for them.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much for doing this. It really means a lot. Thank you so much.